If you're a college student looking to make $500 to $1,000 a week, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down the top 10 ways students across the United States are earning real money, using AI and simple campus-friendly skills. These methods work whether you're in Texas, California, Florida, New Mexico, Arizona, Colorado, or anywhere else. You don't need a full-time job, you don't need advanced tech skills, and you don't need a huge following. You just need consistency, creativity, and the willingness to start. Let's get into it. Method 1. AI-powered income. AI is the fastest way for students to make money right now. You can use AI to edit essays, create resumes, build study guides, generate graphics, manage social media, or even edit videos. Charge $10 to $50 per task. 10 to 20 tasks a week puts you between $100 and $1,000. The best part is that AI lets you work faster, deliver better results, and take on more clients than ever before. Students are already using AI for homework. You're simply offering a polished, professional version of what they're trying to do themselves. Why AI works so well on campuses. Students are overwhelmed. They're juggling classes, clubs, jobs, and social life. They don't have time to write perfect essays, design posters, or edit videos. AI lets you deliver fast, high-quality results that save people time. And because AI tools are improving every month, your efficiency keeps increasing. This is the future of campus freelancing. Examples of AI services you can offer. You can create AI-generated study guides for students who don't want to read entire chapters. You can build AI-powered resumes for students applying to internships. You can design AI-generated posters for clubs and events. You can edit videos for student organizations using AI tools that cut your editing time in half. You can even offer AI-powered proofreading for essays and research papers. These are simple tasks that students will gladly pay for because they save time and reduce stress. How to get your first AI clients. Post in campus group chats, put flyers in dorms, offer a first-time discount, show before and after examples of your AI work. Once people see how fast you deliver, they'll come back every week. AI income is one of the easiest ways to build a steady weekly income without leaving your dorm. Method 2. Campus tech support. Students constantly need help with laptops, Wi-Fi, printers, and software. Most campuses have tech centers, but they're slow, crowded, and often closed during weekends. That's where you come in. Charge $20 to $40 per fix. Help 20 to 30 students a week, and you're earning $400 to $1,200. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need basic troubleshooting skills and the patience to help people. Post flyers in dorms or list your service in campus group chats. This is one of the most reliable campus side hustles because demand never stops. Method 2. Campus tech support. Students constantly need help with laptops, Wi-Fi, printers, and software. Most campuses have tech centers, but they're slow, crowded, and often closed during weekends. That's where you come in. Charge $20 to $40 per fix, help 20 to 30 students a week, and you're earning $400 to $1,200. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need basic troubleshooting skills and the patience to help people. Post flyers in dorms or list your service in campus group chats. This is one of the most reliable campus side hustles because demand never stops. And once people trust you, they'll come back every time something breaks. Why tech support scales? Easily. The more students you help, the more referrals you get. Dorms are basically giant networking hubs. If you fix one person's laptop, their roommate, their friend, and their entire group chat will hear about you. You can turn this into a steady weekly income without ever leaving campus. And if you learn a few common fixes, like resetting Wi-Fi adapters, clearing printer queues, or reinstalling basic software, you'll solve 80% of problems instantly. Method 3. Tutoring. Students need help with math, writing, chemistry, coding, and languages. Even if you're not a top student, you're probably better than someone else in your class. Charge $15 to $40 per session. 10 sessions a week equals $150 to $400. 20 sessions equals $300 to $800. If you tutor groups, you can earn even more. This is one of the easiest ways to make consistent money because students always need help before exams, midterms, and finals. And if you specialize, like calculus, organic chemistry, or essay writing, you can charge premium rates. Why tutoring works everywhere. Every campus has students struggling with classes. Every campus has students who procrastinate. Every campus has students who panic the night before an exam. You're offering clarity, confidence, and structure. And if you combine tutoring with AI tools, like AI-generated study guides or flashcards, you can deliver even more value. You can even offer exam week packages, where students get multiple sessions plus custom study materials. Method 4. Campus delivery services. Students constantly need food, groceries, and supplies delivered. Dorms are far from stores, and not everyone has a car. Charge $5 to $10 per trip. 10 to 20 deliveries equals $50 to $200. 30 to 50 deliveries equals $150 to $500. If you deliver late at night or during bad weather, you can charge extra. This works extremely well at large campuses where walking takes forever. And if you're fast, friendly, and reliable, you'll get repeat customers. Why delivery is so profitable. Students value convenience more than anything. They don't want to walk across campus at midnight. They don't want to leave their dorm during a storm. They don't want to lose their parking spot. You're selling convenience, speed, and comfort, and people pay for that. This is one of the easiest ways to make money without needing any special skills. And if you combine delivery with AI, like using AI to track peak demand times, you can earn even more. Method 5. Dorm cleaning and organization. Students hate cleaning. Dorms get messy fast. Laundry piles up, trash overflows, desks get cluttered, and bathrooms get ignored. That's where you come in. Offer dorm cleaning for $20 to $50 per room. 5 rooms a week equals $100 to $250. 10 rooms equals $200 to $500. Add laundry or organization services to increase your income. You can also offer move-in and move-out cleaning packages at the start and end of each semester. This is one of the most underrated campus side hustles because students will pay for convenience. Why dorm cleaning is so easy to sell. Students don't want to clean. They're busy, tired, stressed, or simply not used to maintaining their own space. If you show before and after photos, people will book you instantly. And once you clean a room well, that student becomes a repeat customer. You can even offer weekly or bi-weekly cleaning subscriptions for steady income. Method 6. Fitness coaching or training. If you know how to lift, run, or train, students will pay for guidance. Charge $15 to $30 per session. 10 sessions equals $150 to $300. 20 sessions equals $300 to $600. You can also offer group training sessions, which increase your hourly rate. Students love having a workout partner or guide, especially beginners who feel intimidated at the gym. This is a great way to stay fit while making money. Why fitness coaching works so well. Students want to get in shape, but they don't know where to start. They don't know proper form. They don't know how to build a routine, and they don't know how to stay consistent. You're offering structure, motivation, and accountability. And if you combine your coaching with AI, like AI-generated workout plans or meal guides, you can deliver even more value. Method 7. Photography and content creation. Students constantly need photos for graduation, events, clubs, and social media. Charge $20 to $60 per shoot. 5 shoots a week equals $100 to $300. 10 shoots equals $200 to $600. You can also edit videos or create content for student organizations. If you learn basic editing, you can charge even more. This is one of the most creative and fun ways to earn money on campus. Why photography is a top campus side hustle. Students love good photos. They want graduation pictures, club photos, dating profile photos, and social media content. You don't need a fancy camera. Even a modern phone can produce great results. And if you use AI tools to enhance your photos or edit videos faster, you can deliver professional-level results with minimal effort. Method 8. Event staffing. Colleges host events every single week. Sports games, conferences, concerts, club activities, career fairs, and student organization meetups. Event staff earn $15 to $25 per hour, and the shifts are usually flexible. Work 10 to 20 hours a week, and you're earning $150 to $500. Busy weeks, like homecoming or graduation season, can push you above $1,000. This is perfect if you enjoy being around people and want a job that doesn't feel like a job. Plus, you get free access to events while getting paid. Why event staffing is so reliable. Colleges never stop hosting events. There's always something happening. sports, music, clubs, guest speakers, workshops, and campus celebrations. Once you get in with one department or student organization, they'll call you every time they need help. You can build a steady weekly income just by showing up and being dependable. Method 9. Reselling textbooks and supplies. Students buy and sell textbooks every semester. Profit $10 to $30 per book. Sell 20 to 30 books a month and you're earning $200 to $900. You can also resell calculators, lab gear, dorm essentials, and even graduation items. If you use AI to track demand and pricing, you can scale this even faster. This is a simple business that works at every campus because students always need supplies. Why reselling works everywhere. Students don't want to pay full price for textbooks. They don't want to wait for shipping. They don't want to deal with online marketplaces. You're offering speed, convenience, and affordability. And if you buy in bulk or source from graduating seniors, your profit margins increase dramatically. Method 10. Weekend labor and odd jobs. Students and local residents always need help moving furniture, cleaning garages, assembling items, or doing yard work. Charge $20 to $50 per job. 5 to 10 jobs a weekend equals $100 to $500. Combine this with weekday work and you can easily reach $1,000 a week. This is perfect if you want fast cash and don't mind physical work. Why weekend labor is a hidden gold mine. People will pay for help with tasks they don't want to do themselves. Moving heavy items, cleaning out storage spaces, organizing rooms, or assembling furniture. These are simple jobs that pay well. And if you're reliable, people will call you again and again. Final thoughts. These 10 methods work at almost every campus in the United States. You don't need permission, you don't need a boss, and you don't need a perfect plan. You just need to start. Pick one method, try it for a week, and watch how quickly your confidence grows. Comment your state or your college, and I'll make a custom breakdown for your school. Follow for more weekly money-making strategies.